नाज़रीन गिरामी, विजडम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने जिस खूबसूरती के साथ स्पेशल एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद किया है, उसके अलग अलग वीडियोस हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं। आप इसका 1, 2, 3 के हिसाब से नज़ारा करते जाएं और तलबा की हिम्मत अफजाई फरमाएं।
First of all, I'm going to start with our speaking robot. Our speaking robot welcomes visitors and gives us the information about our prestigious school and the people behind it. Speaking robot can show us how technology can interact with humans. It works using microcontroller, speaker and pre-recorded voice. This type of robot is used in school, museum, airports and hotels. Sir, can you ask questions from the board? Can you ask questions from the board?
What is your name?
In Kannada or English?
English.
Oh.
My name is Robo. My name is Robo.
Next question, sir.
Are you smart?
Yes, the human is Yes.
Next question.
Something important?
Yes, learning makes us smarter. Yes, learning makes us smarter. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Next,
Today I would like to explain about the life cycle of hen and how it shows the power of Allah. So the hen begins its life inside an egg. From outside the egg looks completely lifeless, but inside it Allah has placed a life. In darkness the chick grows with bones, feathers and a beating heart. This happened completely by Allah's command. In Quran Allah Ta'ala says that indeed Allah brings the living out of the dead and the dead out of the living. Though the egg looks completely lifeless, but there is a chick inside it. The chick breaks the shell, grows into a hen and starts laying the egg and continues the cycle of life. This happened completely through Allah's power, beyond human control. Allah says that, don't you see in yourself that Allah is the creator of all things. Jazakallah khair.